Severe thunderstorm warning! Finally! Severe thunderstorm warning!
The National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac, has issued a special marine warning for St. Clair River, Lake St. Clair,
Unexpected.
until 6:45 p.m. At 5:45 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located over Grosse Pointe, moving northeast at 15 knots. Additional strong thunderstorms located over southeastern Oakland County will track east toward Lake St. Clair at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The strong thunderstorm will be near St. Clair shores around 6:10 p.m. Metro Beach Metro Park Marina around 6:25 p.m. St. Clair Flats Old Channel Light and Mount Clemens Harbor of Refuge around 6:30 p.m. Algonac and New Baltimore around 6:45 p.m. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Here is the forecast for the northern
Look at
suburbs.
that.